launched in August 2021 with its initial seed funding round in January 2021, where it raised $3.8 million and then $20 million in Series A. Arbitrum today has been expensive, one of the top trending cryptos in the industry. On March 16th, 2023, Arbitrum announced their highly anticipated airdrop of ARB. The token will be airdropped to early users and DAOs building an Arbitrum of 12.75% of the total supply to be distributed. Following its airdrop, the token has experienced a major plunge in its value. Will Arbitrum regain its strength in the market anytime soon, or will it continue to be tracking the bearish trend? Buckle up as we decode the possible Arbitrum price prediction for 2023 and the years to come. Following the airdrop on the 23rd of March, the price of ARB experienced a drop of over 90% in value. Arbitrum has been constantly trying to gain its weight back in front of the market, but so far has failed to do so. The price is constantly trading in a consolidated range for a brief period, indicating weak buying and selling pressure for the coin. The ARB price displayed massive volatility since the start of the month, as Arbitrum has recorded significant price fluctuations in value. Recently, the price experienced a jump of over $68 in value, but faced repeated rejection at 1.1826, indicating a strong liquidation point at that level. The moving average divergence displays a constant green histogram indicating a bullish influence in the market. Further, the averages show a constant rise in its chart, suggesting the average price will continue gaining value in the coming time. With this, the price of ARB could range from 85 cents to $1.85 to $1.71, with an average of $1.28 for this year. And if global recognition and adoption could help ARB prices reach greater heights. If this were to happen, the altcoin could push to its annual high of $3.92. If the token misses the trust of the investors and gets stuck in a bearish trend, then it could face a serious backlash and the price could go as low as $2.08. It's considering the bear and bull power per the current trend, the ARB price would average $3. According to forecast prices and technical analysis, ARB's price is projected to reach a minimum of $2.82 in 2025. The maximum price could hit $5.01, with an average trading price of around $3.91. And according to forecast prices and technical analysis, Arbitrum's price is projected to reach a minimum of $3.79 in 2026. The maximum price could hit $5.86, with an average trader price of around $4.82. And looking forward to 2027, ARB's price is expected to reach a low of $4.94, with a high of $7.19, and an average forecast price of $6.06. In 2028, the price of a single Arbitrum is anticipated to reach a minimum of $6.19, with a maximum of $8.62, and an average price of $7.40. And by 2029, ARB's price is predicted to reach a minimum of $7.83, with the potential to hit a maximum of $9.78 and an average of $8.80. In 2030, Arbitrum is predicted to touch its lowest price at $9.15, hitting a high of $11.59 and an average price of $10.37. We have made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are the average targets set by the respective firms. Arbitrum derives its security from the Ethereum network, which provides consensus and finality for Arbitrum transactions. In other words, Ethereum guarantees the validity of a transaction for Arbitrum. Arbitrum executes transactions on the rollup outside of Ethereum and bundles multiple transactions in a batch before submitting it to the mainnet. The off-chain transactions are assumed to be valid, and no proof of validity is submitted. In a dispute, there is a time period after the roll-up is submitted where anyone can challenge the transaction by submitting a fraud proof. Do you also want to understand the primary language of crypto and pro-crypto traders? Here's a guide for you to understand what cryptocurrency is. And Arbitrum is an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. Its goal is to improve speed, scalability, and cost efficiency on Ethereum. Arbitrum uses the security and compatibility of Ethereum. Another benefit is the higher throughput and lower fees compared to the Ethereum. That is possible thanks to moving most of the computation and storage load off-chain. And Arbitrum's native token is called ARB and is used for governance. Off-chain Labs, the developers behind Arbitrum, announced the shift to a decentralized autonomous organization structure. Arbit holders can vote on proposals that affect the features, protocol upgrades, funds allocation, an election of a security council, and Coinpedia has dedicated a team of expert analysts to cover the possible crypto price prediction and sum it all up in one place just for you. Arbitrum was developed by Off-Chain Labs, a blockchain research and development company, founded in 2018 by Ed Felton, Stephen Goldfeder, and Harry Kolodner. ARB can be purchased directly from Binance using a debit or credit card. ARB can also be traded for other cryptocurrencies on the Binance exchange. Arbitrum is poised to become the future of decentralized computing as it offers a solution to some of the biggest challenges facing Ethereum and other blockchain networks. As trending crypto in the market, ARB is undoubtedly one of the best cryptos to buy for 10x gains, but you will have to wait a long time as much of its potential is already priced in. And Arbitrum relies on Ethereum's Layer 1 security, making it a secure network with less expensive gas fees. Arbitrum is trading at one tempo, $41, and needs to rise 9,860% in the next bull run to reach the 100 milestone. The price of ARB might surge to a maximum of $1.71 by the end of 2023, according to our Arbitrum's price prediction. The price could reach a maximum of $5.01 by the end of 2025. ARB is expected to cross the $11 mark with a potential high of $11.59 by the end of 2030.